So this is the integumentary system. It's an organ system, so it contains multiple organs. The first organ we're concerned with is the skin, which is what's shown in this model. The skin, as an organ, is made of multiple types of tissue. Out here, we have one region called the epidermis, which is made of stratified squamous epithelium. This next region here is the dermis, and that's made of irregular connective tissue, dense irregular. And then down here is the subcutaneous layer, which is adipose. So you see multiple tissue types making up one organ, which is the skin. Then we have several epidermal appendages, which are ingrowths of epidermal tissue, which then they grow down into the dermis, but this is still epidermal tissue, which give rise to the accessory structures like hair and nails. Here we're seeing a hair follicle, this sort of cup-shaped region, which is creating this hair shaft, which is the visible hair on the surface of the skin. Next to that, we have associated with each hair follicle are sebaceous glands. Those are found almost exclusively with hair follicles. They make an oily secretion. And then over here is a sweat gland, and those are found in all types of skin. And that's all we can see here is just sweat gland. On your notes, you have to distinguish apicrine sweat glands from eccrine sweat glands, which I won't go into here. Oh, and then, sorry, just one more thing. Down here we see a Pacinian corpuscle, which you had on the nervous system notes, and that's for deep pressure. And then up here, these little tiny circles, those are all Meissner's corpuscles, which are for fine touch and two-point discrimination, like reading Braille or something. And both of these are going to be carried through that dorsal column pathway. And then we don't see any free nerve endings, which would be for pain and temperature, but those would also be visible in this region, in the dermis.